Alrighty! It is I, Manong Jireh, back at it again with a brand new video! Another episode of 10 Reasons Why Blank is Cool! Series to ngayon mga kaunggoy dito sa channel na ito. May isang topic and I'm gonna give 10 reasons why that thing is cool. Woo! This is gonna be cool, this is gonna be awesome. As you can see, the bald eagle has returned. Woo! Yeah, 10 reasons why being kalbo is cool, ladies and gentlemen. So, these are top-notch reasons mga kaunggoy. Woo! Reason number 1. Hindi na may irritate ang mata mo. Like, alam nyo, pag mahaba buhok nyo, yung bangs na pupunta sa mata, your eyes gonna turn red. It's gonna be itchy. Kakamutin mo yung mata mo. Yung mga tao, akala nila nagmamariwana ka, pero hindi ka naman talaga nagmamariwana, pula lang mata mo. Ayun, so, hindi na may irritate mata mo, and that's cool. Reason number 2, magaan sa ulo. Like, hindi na mabigat yung ulo. And, presko mga kaunggoy. Reason number 3, malaking matitipid nyo. Malaki yung matitipid nyo sa shampoo. Shampoo, it's for hair, no? Diba? Para sa buhok yung shampoo. Eh, ano naman gagawin mo sa shampoo kung wala ka naman hair? Woo! Reason number 4, hassle mag-ayos ng buhok paglalabas. Ngayon, hindi na hassle mag-ayos ng buhok paglalabas kasi wala ka ng buhok! Woo! Ang kailangan mo lang damit, hindi mo na kailangan mag-ayos, mag-comb ng hair or tie your hair. Hashtag receding hairline, ladies and gentlemen. My hairline's receding, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Reason number 5, ang sarap sa pakiramdam gawin ito. Y'all can relate kung kalbo kayo o semi-kalbo or whatever, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Just touching your hair or touching your head. Oh shit. That feels good, ladies and gentlemen. Reason number 6, hindi may irritate ang forehead ninyo or airport. Hindi may irritate ang forehead ninyo mga kaunggoy. Kasi alam nyo pag may bangs kayo na-irritate, magkakaroon ng pimples, and we all know, we all hate pimples, ladies and gentlemen. Like, having pimples, it sucks, ladies and gentlemen. You're gonna look like Rick G, and it sucks, and it hurts, you know, the pimples. Reason number 7, kalbo si Batista, and he is very cool, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, this man right here, looking at the man, his physique, and his, his overall coolness. Reason number 8, kalbo si The Rock, and he is very, very cool and famous, ladies and gentlemen. Enough said. Reason number 9, we love everybody! Kaming mga kalbo, we love everybody! We love everybody! We love the long-haired, the short-haired, kalbo-haired, the super duper long-haired, curly-haired, all kinds of hairs! We love everybody! We love everybody, ladies and gentlemen, and that's the key message of every episode here in Why Blank is Cool. Reason number 10, people that are kalbo are cool. Enough said, ladies and gentlemen. I'm cool, Batista's cool, The Rock's cool. Sino pa mga kalbo na cool? Basta maraming mga tao na kalbo na super cool. Woo! Kahit yung kapitbahay ko dati na medyo chismoso, he's very cool a bit. He's awesome at driving that Jeep, ladies and gentlemen. Additional reason to, walang kuto. Enough said. Reason number 11 yun, pero still 10 reasons why being cowboy is cool. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, it's so cool. Woo! So ayun nga mga kaunggoy, suggest kayo ng mga topics na pwede ko gawan ng 10 reasons why that topic or that thing is cool. So leave your suggestions in the comment sections below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Being Kalbo is cool, ladies and gentlemen. Shoutout nga pala sa comment of the day. Thank you for commenting, y'all. 10 reasons why something is cool. Ayun na lang tawag ko, 10 reasons why something is cool. Yun sa series na ito. Bald Eagle, ladies and gentlemen. Bald Eagle, ladies and gentlemen.